Hey guys, today I want to show you the Keyword Research Center and the notifications page inside your Pro software. So we're going to start by heading over to our left-hand nav, choosing Research, and choosing Products. So one thing to note about this page is that if you haven't already downloaded the Google Chrome extension, which goes hand in hand with this portion of the software, you'll be prompted to do so on this page. This user has already downloaded it, so that banner is no longer showing. So immediately what you'll see is that you have all of your products that you're tracking inside of this part of the software here. You'll have an option to view the keywords you're tracking, and then you also notice that there's an uncategorized list. That's going to be the same as the regular products list for now because this user has not created any kind of organization, which you can do so by choosing Create New List right here. So you're probably wondering, well, how do I start tracking products? That's a great question. You can do it in two different ways. First is by directly inputting the product ASIN. This can be your own ASIN or a competitor ASIN, and then choosing track product. And that's going to show you the product right here in your track list. The second option, and what most users do, is by going to Amazon, choosing a search term here. I chose backpack, pulling up that extension that you would have just downloaded. And then you'll have a list of the organics results for that search term itself. And then what you want to do is head right here to binoculars and choose those binoculars. Once you start tracking that product, the binoculars will turn green from gray. We'll head back and you'll notice that that product that I was tracking is showing on the product list now. And so what we can do at this point is now choose a product from the list, have it open for us, and you'll see some data. Now, once you're tracking these products for about 24 hours, data will start to show. And once you are tracking these products for a little bit of time, you'll start to see some history on this product. If it has changed, you can do some pricing and fee calculating if you want to take a look at maybe if the unit cost was different or if the price was different, what would some of these numbers be? And the real kind of bread and butter of this portion of the software is the list of keywords that you get for these child ASINs that you're tracking. So the keyword data is really important because it's going to give you an estimation of the score. And the score that we do here is based on the strength of the keywords for this product. So maybe you have a new product in a category you're not used to. You've got a lot of competitors that you know of who are selling and doing very well. You track their products, you get estimations on their keywords, and then you now have a full list of keywords that you can use that we've ranked from 1 to 100 that can show you maybe they're keywords that you didn't think of. Maybe they're keywords that are making you think of other keywords you could use. You can plug these into your advertising, which again, our managed services team is running for you. So you don't have to worry too much about that, but it could be helpful to use in your listing to optimize the back end or maybe redo titles or product descriptions just to better increase that organic results that your product could have with certain keywords. So all of that is available here. And if you do have any questions about how to fully utilize this part of the software or what you can do with this part of the software, please feel free to reach out to our customer success team to answer any questions that you have about this. It is pretty straightforward. It is a pretty nifty tool if you've never done any kind of keyword research. It's pretty awesome. Lastly, I just want to show you our notifications page, which you can get to from going to notifications and then choosing the inbox option. So notifications is going to give you a list of options that we have to notify you and alert you for different things. Like maybe you've lost a buy box because you're selling something that with other sellers are selling. Maybe you've got something like low inventory. These are all options that we can alert you by. And we can do that in a couple different ways, including email or text messaging. And all of that can be done by choosing the settings option. And then you'll take a look here. You'll see all the different options for inventory, advertising, seller performance. I'm going to move myself out of the way. You'll see that you can also change the notification type, whether you want them on or off, if you want email or text. And you can quickly also change the status here. So this is going to be your notifications. Again, pretty straightforward, but could be really awesome just for you to not have to worry about having to log into the software and check for every single thing. Let us notify you, let us give you the heads up, and then you'll know when you need to check the software. Hey, thanks so much for checking out our videos today. As always, if you have any additional questions, reach out to our customer success team and they'll be more than happy to answer them for you. You can email us at support@sellerlabs.com or use our convenient chat function available on any of the Seller Labs web pages. We hope you guys have a great day.